Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we decided to go to Staten Island, so we catching the Staten Island Ferry at the tip of Manhattan. Well, if you don't know, the Staten Island Ferry is free. The ride is only about 25 to 30 minutes long, so you can for sure see the beautiful Manhattan Skyline and of course Lady Liberty. So you can see a very good view of her, especially on a good day if you stay on the right side of the ferry going towards Staten Island. Now coming back you can still see her, but apparently it is farther away, so you're not going to be able to see her as clear as when you are going towards Staten Island. And of course you're going to be able to see also the Governor's Island and the Manhattan Skyline, like I said. So we're here waiting for the gate to open up, and there you go, the massive amount of people that rides the ferry, tourists and local alike. As we board, we realized we're on the left side of the boat, so we stayed there for a while and later on moved to the other side so we can see Lady Liberty. So you can see right now the beautiful skyline of Manhattan as we pull away from the dock. Our goal today is really just to see Statue of Liberty and of course check out Staten Island and probably visit Fort Wadsworth, and of course to just ride the Staten Island bus just to see what Staten Island is all about. We're not gonna get off, we're just gonna ride the bus round trip and then get on the ferry again. So why don't you come along and join the ride? And there she is. Beautiful day to see Lady Liberty from afar. On a very good day you can really see her very clearly and not have to pay the fee to enter the park to see the Statue of Liberty. Hey, so today we decided to take the Staten Island Ferry.
Yay!
And we came into Staten Island, didn't know what to do, but the main purpose just to see Lady Liberty, but we end up here, which is, I believe this is called South Beach in Staten Island. So that's behind us, and I'm not sure what that bridge is. Do you know what that bridge is?
It's a bridge.
We're gonna find out for you. I'm gonna put it down there.
Well, anyhow, we found a real beach out here.
Yeah, it's pretty. So what I was saying is we decided, since we missed a lot of stops, so we decided we're gonna go to Fort Wadsworth, and then the transfer brought us here to South Beach. So we are now at South Beach. So hopefully we make it to Fort Wadsworth before the end of the day. But the beach is pretty. I'm gonna turn it around. You have a video of it, right? I probably don't even need to do this. It's nice and peaceful here. I guess the beach is always my happy place. water is just like Mississippi Gulf Coast. Murky. It's cold. The water is cold. Woo! Very cold. Guess you gotta share with the duck over there. And they have lifeguard. We stay at the beach for about an hour and a half and walk around the boardwalk, which is really not much around there. So we decided it's time to go and take our bus route to go around Staten Island. And right here we just walk around the neighborhood a little bit, just across from the beach, and just see what's going on. But just, housing and stuff. Not really a lot of restaurant there, but there you go. So we boarded the bus here and off we go, and just enjoying the ride, looking at fine architecture. I find like most of the houses here are craftsman style housing, and nice tree-lined streets, very clean, not very congested. Just a little sanctuary away from the busy lifestyle of Manhattan. Well, we are back on the ferry again on the way back to Manhattan. Sad to say, we were not able to make it to Fort Wadsworth because we didn't have enough time, and of course we didn't find the place. Anyway, if you all enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Comment down below what kind of things do you like to come and see and do here in New York City. Let me know. I love the little surprise we found in Staten Island, the beach, of course. Until next time, bye!